Hello everyone! Kamusta? Today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit mahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng extraordinary income. Unang-una, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng dagdag kita, 'di ba? Pero more than that, may mga importanteng reasons kung bakit beneficial ito. First is financial security. So, alam naman natin na life is unpredictable. So, karamihan sa atin yung extra income natin ay nagiging safety net para sa ating mga emergencies or biglaang gastos. Next is achieving dreams. So, gusto mo bang mag-travel, bumili ng bahay, or mag-start ng business? Extraordinary income can help make these dreams a reality faster. Lifestyle upgrades. With additional income, mas kaya na nating mag-enjoy ng better lifestyle, from dining our favorite restaurants to buying the latest gadgets. Mas ma-afford na natin. Next is helping others. With extra income also give us a chance to give back. Mas nakakatulong tayo sa pamilya, friends, or even sa mga charitable causes na malapit sa puso natin. Also, less ito ng stress. Financial stress can be overwhelming. Pero pag may extraordinary income tayo, mas magiging relax at mas focus tayo sa mga importanteng bagay sa pay. Kaya naman, let's strive to find ways to earn more and secure our future. Remember, it's not just about the money, but about the freedom and opportunities it brings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share for more tips on achieving financial success. Bye for now!